Let's teach ChatGPT create trendy designs from the ideas that we get from Playground platform. I think you all know this platform that usually designers use it for print-on-demand t-shirts and different materials. So here you have everything for inspiration, and yeah, you have to subscribe here, and you get a lot of ready designs that you can use, and you can change these designs to whatever you want. So here they use also AI in order to help to create different designs, and there are many YouTube videos about that. But what I want to show you today is how to make ChatGPT think the way Playground creates images. So let's take, for example, this image for teacher. Yeah, so it's just a teacher goose. So here on Playground, this is very simple. If you want to use it, it's fine. You don't have to use ChatGPT, but you will see at the end of the video why it's important. So how to use Playground? This is just a small window here, and you can write very simple prompt, what you want to see on the picture, how to change it, right? So I just write a few words without any special details. So I just want these geese to be spooky, right? And here we are, look, so it made amazing design. It actually, yes, it can sell on t-shirts or whatever, so whatever you want to print it on. So this is the way AI of Playground works. And I want to show you how I teach ChatGPT to do the same job for me, right? So we just download this image and upload everything to ChatGPT. And we are going to teach ChatGPT to learn from this AI that is used in Playground, that is specifically for image creation. So I upload the original design and what Playground AI created. And I told, okay, look at these designs and learn how Playground AI made white geese picture into a spooky one with ghosts. So, and do the same work with this original design and make it look as if you are a Playground AI. Okay, so, and as if you know Etsy trends and Pinterest trends. Okay, so you can add anything, but this is just basically it. So, and let's see here what designs we can also take from here. So, and I will ask ChatGPT to apply this technique on a different image. And here, as you see, we have plenty of images we can play with. So I will pick something also with the same topic. Okay, so we have again goose here, and I added this image to ChatGPT, and I said, okay, so and apply everything you learned here from this Playground AI and apply to this particular image that I gave you, right? And let's see what is going to create us and what will be the result. So I want to see if ChatGPT is going to think the way I want, and if we teach ChatGPT to think, you know, as Playground AI, we don't need Playground AI, so you can use ChatGPT free version, right? And it's going to work for you. So let's see at the result. Look, this is really nice, right? So this is similar to what Playground created for this teacher goose image, but here we have just a spooky Halloween, just a goose, you know, cozy goose image, and it's really nice. So we can work with it, and we created it not with Playground, we created it with ChatGPT because we taught ChatGPT how to do it. But I know everybody is now talking about Halloween designs, autumn design, but it's too late. Honestly, it's too late. It is time to create something for Christmas. And honestly, so if you don't create Christmas designs now in the beginning of September, you will be late selling them for Christmas. So I asked ChatGPT to give me more ideas. So what I can sell for Christmas on Etsy with similar designs. And look what ChatGPT gave me, what ideas. And this is really nice. So basically, okay, so everybody is posting now about autumn and Halloween, and I told ChatGPT to do the same for me for Christmas. So I'm looking forward and I'm going one step ahead of everyone of Playground platform, because Playground platform also offers you trendy designs that are used right now, and you don't know what is going to be trendy for Christmas. So this is really nice, but we need to sell it, and you have to buy mockups, right, on Etsy and to use it, or you have to pay for the paid version on Printful or Gelato, whatever you're using. So here we can make really great mockups just with ChatGPT. Right, so now we made it on a transparent background, so it will look better when it's printed, and this is very clean, right? So we can use it on a mug, we can use it on a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, so this is really nice. So the next step we are going to do with mockup on different colors of sweatshirts, for example. So I tell ChatGPT, so make a mockup on a Christmas background, right? So we need everything on a Christmas background so we can present it well. And let's see, right? Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, so it can work, and you know, people can buy it for their teachers for Christmas, and this is really cute. So the same we can apply to a darker version, so we can see how it looks, and before even connecting to some printful designs. Of course, we are limited on colors, what we can use, but here you can visualize before even creating and connecting to print-on-demand platforms. You can already see what it will look like, right? So let's see something on a darker background because it's Christmas. Usually it's green. Yeah, and look, this is really nice. Yeah, so maybe the printed area is a bit larger than it will be in fact, right? But anyway, we are going to use a print-on-demand platform, and we are going to have the exact image from there, right? So this is just a mock-up, and I created it on a free version of ChatGPT. I made ChatGPT to think as a playground AI according to trends that are now for Halloween and autumn season. And I made it for Christmas. So think ahead and create your designs 2-3 months before the season starts.